Hey guys, my name is Ferrarucci. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be going out with my friends, so get ready with me. For a while I've been wanting to try this cool spoon makeup hack I've been seeing everywhere on social media, but procrastination is a major problem. But I fought my demons and I'm doing it. It's better late than never. While at it, let's have a little chat on the red flags you see in your friend groups. Okay, if this is your first time seeing this pretty face, come on, don't make it your last. Join my family by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. Okay, and if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get right to the video. So first I'm going to prime my face because we don't know how long we're going to be out for and we really need to keep the makeup in check. For my foundation, I'll be going in with Motec. Motec recently rebranded. Nice packaging, I must commend. Let's try to see if anything changed in the products. So, the first red flag I would like to address is that of those who put you down, like friends who put friends down. You know, there are friend groups who actually interact with each other with insults, like they're joking, abusive words. Actually, I don't even mind a little insults now and then, but a huge but when these friends don't know when to stop, there's a problem there. When your friend is down and they're looking for a supportive words and you are still insulted in the name of joking, my dear, you're not joking again. No. If you have friends who do that, you should really look into it. That's a huge red flag. And if you're one person who does it, stop it. Stop it. It's bad. You should know when to stop. So for my concealer, I'll be going in with Ferrarucci concealer. The next red flag I want to talk about is that of those who cannot celebrate your success. You see, to me, this is like the worst of them all, because this one can lead to witchcraft. I'm not joking though. See, witchcraft is not just when you go to shrine with a tyrant clothes. Witchcraft starts when you see yourself harboring ill thoughts or anger over your friend's success. To tell you the truth, we're human beings, so once in a while we're allowed to be insecure. But when it becomes a pattern where your friend cannot have something good going on and without you feeling bad, there's a major problem. Check yourself very well. See, this type of people, they are very good at gathering sympathy for you. Like, they will dwell on that thing that went wrong in your life, talking about it, telling people about it, gathering sympathy. But when something good happens, the speed at which they use and move past it, like, it just happened. Move past it fast. Red flag. So I'll be highlighting my face with Airspun loose powder, and I think I'm in the mood for powder contour. Let's do that. So as I was saying, these particular people, they cannot just help but always compare your success to their failures. Like, why? This life is not a competition though. And when you constantly compare yourself to someone else, it can only lead to jealousy. And believe me, that's the last class you attend before you become a witch. The funny thing about this trait is that people often mistake it as a good sign, like they have a very supportive friend. But trust me, there's just a thin line between having a supportive friend and having someone who enjoys your misfortune. You just have to pay close attention to spot it. Okay. So I have to dust off this highlight and draw in my brows. I'll be right back. So I'm back from drawing my brows, looking very unflick. It's time for the main course of the day, the spoon. And I'll be getting my eyeshadow from Hush palettes, the color orange. Oh my god. What kind of sorcery is this? How have I not been doing this? This is so cool. Oh my god. So I'm going to line my eyes and put on my lashes. Oh, so I'm done with my eyes. I'm just sitting here looking at it and wondering why I have not been doing this all this while. This is so cute and easy. So let's do the lips. I'm going to do something very light and easy for my lips. The next red flag I'd like to address is that of communication. When there's a major imbalance in communication, that's like an obvious red flag. Relationship shouldn't be one-sided. It takes two to make it work. Friendship inclusive. When you're in a friendship where you're always one initiating, they want to see the calls, the communication, that's an obvious red flag, because there's a very high probability that that person, the other person, doesn't consider you a friend. You're just there. Or a friendship where your number is only remembered when they need something from you or they have something to gain from you. Come on, read the handwritings. They don't consider you a friend. Major red flag. Relationship shouldn't be draining. When you have to give your 100 to make it work, it's really exhausting. It's supposed to be 50-50. You meet at the middle to push the ship. You understand? So you need a friend who values your attention. Like I heard this saying on TikTok recently. It said, surround yourself with friends whose eyes light up when they see you. That's it. Friends who enjoy your company and all. That's like a major green flag. Go for that. So finally, I am very late for my outing and I do not intend to be a bad friend. So at this point, I am going to just wrap this up here. Yes, with this. Friendship is not supposed to be exhausting. It's supposed to relax you actually. But when it stresses you out more than it relaxes you, that's a major red flag, and that's a sign that you should step out and reevaluate your friend group or the people you hang out with. It's very, very important for your mental state. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Yeah, I think I definitely have. So if you liked this video, if you learned something new, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. I really had fun getting ready with you guys. I hope you did too. This fine girl is going to paint Port Harcourt red. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.